Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we've got an experiment for you to try, and hopefully you've got all the ingredients and the items that you need to do this experiment. Now I've been inspired by the sunshine outside, so I thought today we'd try and make our own ice cream. Now all we need for this is some milk, some ice, some salt, some vanilla extract, and 2 sandwich bags. Now your sandwich bags can be the same size, it just works a little better if you have one small one and one big one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour our milk into our smaller sandwich bag. But remember, if you only have one size sandwich bag, that's absolutely fine. I'm just going to pour some in there. Now the more milk you use, the longer it is going to take to make your ice cream. So I'm only going to do a small amount to start with. Next, what you need to do is add some ice into our larger sandwich bag. Now I've brought some ice, but you can make your own, because ice is actually just water in its frozen state, so it's a solid. Lots of ice to the bag. Just like that. Now, we're going to put the milk inside the ice. However, just to make it taste a little bit nicer, I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract, make it nice and tasty. If you've got sugar at home, you might like to add a little bit of sugar to make it a bit sweeter as well. A little bit in there. So, now we've done that, it's time to add our milk into our ice. However, to help speed up the process, we are going to add some salt to the ice. Why do you think that might be? Maybe you could research it and find out. Then, we make sure our milk bag is sealed. We place our milk and vanilla extract, give it a bit of a shake so the vanilla extract stirs in. Place our milk right in the centre of our ice. Like that, so you can barely see the milk anymore. So the sandwich bag is right in the middle of our ice. Now, I'm going to seal that up, and this is where the hard work happens. We have to move the ice and ruffle it round to make sure it gets around all of the milk. Now this could take a few minutes, but it will be worth it. Oh, we've lost an ice cube. Make sure that sandwich bag's sealed tightly. You might like a grown-up to help you with this bit. I think we're getting there. Okay, I think it's been a good few minutes now, maybe 4 or 5 minutes, so we're going to take it out. I wonder if we could have a look just inside that bag there and see it's changed. It's not runny milk anymore. It's almost solid, like it looks a bit like ice cream. So what we can do is take your spoon. I can scoop a bit out and show you. That's homemade ice cream. I'm going to try it, see how it tastes. Mmm. Delicious. And see, look, it's not milk anymore. It's nice and thick. Now, if yours doesn't work first time round, don't worry. If I'm going to be honest with you, this is the 3rd time I've tried to film this video, because the first 2 times I couldn't get it to work. So my top tips are, if you can, use a small sandwich bag and put it inside a bigger sandwich bag. Secondly, I would say the less milk you use, the quicker it takes. Now, if you can't see, my hands are quite red right now because I've been rubbing that bag with the ice in. Maybe if you've got a tea towel or some oven gloves to put on while you do it, that could help. But I really hope you had fun trying this and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching the video and I hope to see you soon. Bye.